Hi guys, welcome to another review video about the GoPro 7 Hero Black and the problem with 60 frames per second with 4K. So regarding or based on the manufacturer, of course they say we can record 4K with 60 frames and stabilization. And how to achieve that, we have a couple of settings. I hope it will focus so you can see everything. The settings we have here, and we have the resolution, and we have the field of view, and we have also the format. So what I'm showing you is we have wide and super view, and that's really important. When we are on super view and we try to go to 60 frames, it says stabilization not supported. So that means even when we see it here, when we go back, it would not work. I mean, what it does actually, it goes back to wide instead of super view, and we cannot change that anymore. When we are on 4K 60 frames, we have no choice to change anything. Also, what we cannot change is the format. When we try to go to the 4:3, it says same thing, stabilization not supported. And when we go back and click it again, I mean, then it goes back to 30 frames. And when we try to achieve that, we cannot do that. So these are two problems with the 4K and 60 frames. We cannot do this with 4:3, and we cannot do that in the super view. But it is absolutely no problem. Where are we now? Yeah, here we are. You can see 4K 60 frames, and it has to be 16:9, and it has to be the wide. We cannot change that. If you are on super wide, it will bring up this warning. So from all these settings, it looks like we have to be on 40K. 40K 60 frames. We have to be on wide and not on super view, and we have to be on 16:9 and not 4:3. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.